lot of people think about the building itself that houses the equipment or the specialty items that are needed to make that. But on the outside of the building, there's all kinds of engineering going on. Water systems, drinking water systems, processed water systems. We understand all of the challenges that may get overlooked sometimes by multiple consultants being involved. So when you work with Foth, you get the total solution. At Foth, we're always looking for possibly a better way to solve the problem, and a lot of this revolves around sustainability and efficiency at facilities. So the end goal is always what's best for the client in the near term and the long term. What is the next position this company wants to be in on that site? If they're gonna potentially have an expansion, can we design special features in to make that much easier and more economical in the future? Whatever your needs or water challenges are, Foth will solve them.